Hi, I hope you've had an amazing summer. Today I wanted to film a video to show you this quick and easy smoky eye tutorial using only 3 makeup products. Now, as we're focusing on the smoky eye today, I have done my foundation and brows and they are ready to go. And we are just going to go straight in for this super easy, super quick smoky eye. The first product I'm going to use is the Cushion Shadow Liner, and this is the brown shade Out at Night. Now you can see this is, as it sort of describes, a cushiony tip, which makes it really easy to apply. So what I'm going to do with this first one is essentially cover the majority of my eyelid. So I'm just going to do that now. And I'm just going to start in the middle here, just work my way out, and I'm just sort of tapping the product, and as you can see, as it's running out, it's just getting a little thinner towards the edges. It's really up to you how far you go. I'm going to go for about there, and then I'm just going to do the same on the other side. And what we'll do is we'll blend all this in a minute, so don't worry about it being perfect. You know what I'm like, I'm messy with my makeup. And then I'm going to take a little bit into the sort of underneath of my eye as well. So I like to have a little bit underneath too. So we're just going to take that. And if I'm just, as you see, I'm just using the tip here to kind of blend it until I kind of run out of product, so it kind of has a natural finish. So that's your first shade, that's Out at Night, and then all I'm going to do is take my blending brush and just slightly blend the edges to make them a little bit softer. So just slowly work across these edges just like this. And when you blend in the corners, just take it upwards like so. And you can sort of pat it like this over any areas that just need a little bit of sort of solidifying. There we go. And you can sort of work that as high and as far out as you like, whatever kind of smoky eye you want to go with. So if you want to go a little bit more subtle, obviously just use a little bit less product to start with, but you know how I like quite a dramatic makeup. So just again on this side, we're going to do exactly the same thing. Now once you're happy with how smoked out your eye is, you can then add a little bit more definition. So I then do this with the black shade. All I'm going to do with this one is use it more like an eyeliner. So starting in the middle just here, and I'm going to use a tissue because I'm quite a messy makeup applier, as you know. I'm just going to pat that then in a similar sort of way as I did with the brown, but just across the lash line. And that just stops any fallout hitting my foundation. This is why I do my foundation last. And just again around here. And then I'm just going to take the smaller end of a blending brush, and I'm just going to do a similar thing to what I did before, be a little bit more sort of specific with where I'm going. So I'm just keeping this where you would keep your eyeliner and just blending it into the existing shadow just there. So any good smoky eye look needs a really strong mascara to set it off, and we are going with the new Lash Genius from Avon. So there you go, it's that simple. That was my smoky eye tutorial using only 3 products.